Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable or turn off the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So let's get right into it now, shall we? So what you want to do, guys, if you've grown tired of the bookmarks bar and would like to hide it, you can simply right click somewhere here in the free space and select Show Bookmarks Bar from the drop-down menu. And if you hover your mouse over that option, you will see three different options here to the right: always, never, or only on new tabs. So you can choose your favorite or preferred option. For instance, to hide the bookmarks bar, simply select never, or alternatively, guys, you may use the shortcut on your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+B, and that way automatically turn on or turn off the bookmarks or favorites bar here on Microsoft Edge without changing anything in your browser settings. So super simple, as you can see. That's all the magic behind this. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.